The Pacerlite, it's the lightest mobility scooter in the range. It's got a lithium battery, which has its advantages, and it's only 19 kilos with the battery detached. It's great for travellers. It folds very compact in half a minute, and here's the best bit. It arrives fully assembled. Just unfold it, and off you go. Let me walk you through everything. It's got a 15-kilometre range, which is perfect for popping around locally. No matter what your route is, hills won't be a problem. The electromagnetic brakes automatically control your downhill speed. And this dial here lets you set your top speed up to 8 kilometres an hour. Safe, comfortable, no rush. Got flat-free tyres, never need to pump them up, never get a puncture. And the tight turning circle, perfect for getting around smaller spaces. Let's talk about setup as well as comfort. Best bit, nothing to assemble. Just unfold it and off you go. There's supportive padding on the seat, and the handlebars adjust to get completely comfortable. Let's talk about operating it. It's all about safety, control, and simplicity. It's got a bright headlight with rear reflectors. The battery meter shows you just how much juice you've got left, and it's got a horn. To get going, just turn the key, pull the lever, and you're away. Let's talk about the practical stuff. You know, all those little things that make everyday use super easy. There's a storage basket under the seat for your bits and pieces. And here's how the battery pack can detach. Folds in seconds. Seriously, it's the fastest one we've got. And it fits into any car boot and doesn't take up much space at home. As mentioned previously, this one's got a lithium battery. And here's what that means. No battery maintenance. You can top up the charge level whenever you like. Won't hurt the battery at all. It's a lighter battery which helps acceleration and range and carrying the battery to where you want to charge it. You also get smooth, steady power delivery all the way through each charge. And if treated well, lithium batteries last a really long time. Equipmed Mobility Solutions aren't just about getting you from A to B. We're all about helping you get your independence back. Now, if this looks like the right model for you, you can order it today and have it shipped to the location of your choice within just a few days.